Hello friends, welcome to Ansari Production PS. I hope you will be alright and enjoying my classes. In previous lesson we learned about the smudge brush and face smudging. Now in today's class we will understand the neck smudging. In this lesson I will show you how to use the smudge brush on neck, dress, and on ears. So let's start. Please don't skip any part, just play the video, sit back and watch. I will run the video fast according to situation, but don't skip because I will give you some important tips in between the video. And you will find the PSD project file and smudge brush link in video description below. Now let's start our work from right ear. Our brush strength was 20 if you remember. As I told you in my previous lesson that, you can resize your brush size by using the square bracket keys. And I also told you about this, always make a duplicate copy before starting the next session of smudge. This is very important for non-destructive work. As you can see, we are going to work on edges, and here we can damage the skin from the edges, so to protect this we can activate the selection. And to do this, just place your cursor at your layer thumbnail, press and hold the Ctrl or Command key from the keyboard and left click from your mouse. Just watch carefully and try to understand how I am doing this. Sorry for the mouse click sound, this sound is so important for you to understand this, where I am releasing the mouse button, and where I'm continuously holding the mouse button. I will show you one ear in normal speed so that you can understand, and for other ear I will run the video fast to save your time. I'm requesting again and again, please don't skip the video when I will run fast because you can miss any important tip. To see the image more clearly we will have to add a background color. Create a new blank layer and fill it with any color according to your image. I will choose 50% gray for this image. Type 808080 for 50% gray. Now we can see the edges clearly. Now do the same for other ear. Here I will run this part fast to save our time. The smudging for ears have done, now I will tell you how to smudge the neck. This is also very tricky and technical job to smudge the neck. I will show you the right directions by drawing some direction lines. On neck edges we will use the smudge brush vertically, top to bottom. And for this part use the brush accordingly. And for this part use the brush horizontally, left to right or right to left. Just follow the natural skin pattern or texture, whatever you say. And once again, first activate the selection before start working on edges. And here I will run the video fast, but don't skip. See, this skin texture is going in vertical direction. So if you will use the smudge brush in horizontal direction, it will look too bad and unrealistic. Never use in this direction. Always follow and respect the natural direction, and this is the right way for smudge painting. Just look at that, the texture will always tell itself that in which direction you have to use the smudge brush. This is $1 million tip for you guys. If you will follow this rule, you will always make a perfect smudge painting. We have smudged the whole skin. Now I will show you how to use smudge on dress. But first, make a duplicate copy for non-destructive work. For this dress I show you the direction for smudge, but remember that every dress have different texture, style, and patterns, so this is not a universal direction. Just follow the direction of your dress texture. If you are using this image for learning, then you can follow the same direction. If you want to do practice on this image, I have provided the download link in video description. You can download the PSD project file from the link. Follow these direction for this image. This is a very simple rule, guys. Just follow the texture directions, don't go against the texture direction. If texture is going in vertical direction, don't use the brush in opposite direction. The simple thing is, don't use the brush in horizontal direction for vertical textures, and don't use the brush in vertical direction for horizontal textures. Now I will run this part fast to save your time. Just sit back and enjoy the background music, but watch carefully. So we have done the job for skin and dress. In next class we will do work on lips and teeths. And also on eyebrows and hairs. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in comments. See you in next class. Just like, share and subscribe. Take care and goodbye.